Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Drive for product documentation workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console homepage. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials. Once logged in, locate the project drop-down near the top of the page. Select an existing project or create a new one by clicking on the New Project button. Give the new project a relevant name and click on Create. After creating or selecting your project, look for the APIs and Services menu on the left sidebar. Click on Dashboard under the APIs and Services menu. In the dashboard, click the plus Enable APIs and Services button. Use the search bar to find Google Drive API. Select Google Drive API from the search results. Click on the Enable button to activate the Drive API for your project. Once enabled, navigate back to the APIs and Services menu and click on Credentials. Click on the Create Credentials button. Choose OAuth Client ID from the list of options. If prompted, configure the consent screen. Fill in the required details, such as application name and authorized domains. After configuring the consent screen, return to the Create Credentials page. Select the application type that applies to your specific documentation workflow. Fill in the necessary details, including the redirect URI if applicable. Click on the Create button to generate your credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret generated for your application. Next, navigate to your product documentation tool. Find the Integration or API Settings section. Look for an option to connect to Google Drive or authorize it. Enter your client ID and client secret when prompted. Follow any additional authentication steps required by your documentation tool. Once authorized, test the integration by uploading a document to Google Drive. Verify that the document appears in your chosen product documentation workflow. Adjust permissions in Google Drive if needed to ensure accessibility. Review your settings to confirm everything is functioning as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.